Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about lightning apps and app manager in Salesforce. What are lightning apps? An app in Salesforce is a collection of tabs grouped together. Each tab provides access to different areas of the system. Example, accounts, contacts, reports, dashboards, etc. This helps user navigate to what matters to them. For example, in a large organization which has different teams for different purposes requires access to different objects in Salesforce org. A sales user would likely want easy access to opportunities, whereas a service user may need access to cases. By creating different lightning apps for sales and service team, we can make their process easy. Now, the sales user will choose sales lightning apps and service user will choose service lightning apps and start working on it. What is Lightning Experience App Manager? It is the place where all apps can be managed in Lightning Experience. App Manager is used to view all the Salesforce apps and connected apps and also to create new Lightning apps or connected apps. Benefits of the App Manager. To distinguish apps, we can give separate logos and apply themes to each apps. Lightning apps can also include Lightning page types and utilities. We can assign multiple user profiles to multiple apps. Lightning apps makes it easy for user to switch context and still have access to the items, objects and pages they need most. Let's go to the demo and see Lightning apps and app manager. In earlier videos, we created student, class and mark details objects. Let's create an app just specifically for these three objects. Click the settings icon and click setup. In quick find, type app and choose app manager. Click new lightning app. Give a new app name. Here I am going to give student management system. Give description about the app in this description field. Click next. There are two navigation style, one is standard and console. Standard navigation is just what we are using now. Console navigation is different one where we can view multiple tabs in a single window. Support form factor I am choosing desktop and phone. Setup experience as setup and click next. As I said already, we can add utilities here. If you have any utilities to be added, we can add it here by clicking add utility item. Click next. We have to select the objects which we are going to show in this app one by one. We have added these three objects. Click next. Select the profiles to whom we have to give access to this app. Click save and finish. We have created student management system app. To switch between these apps, we have to click this button. This is called as app launcher. Click it and select the app student management system. The app has been switched and we can see the three objects which we have included. This is how we have to create an app and use app launcher to switch between apps. This is the basic detail about app manager. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.